Okay, so in order to make stickers on WhatsApp, you just need to go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Once you open it up here, as you can see, you just need to go ahead and open up chat. Once you open up your chats, what you need to do is just simply press on the sticker icon right next to camera. Once you press on it here, you will be able to see a few stickers, but you'll be able to see the create option as well. Go ahead and press on that. Once you do this, you will be shown your whole photos section where you have your photos. So what you need to do is just simply select a photo that you want to use as a sticker. Let's say I want to use this mouse as a sticker. So if I press on it, here, as you can see, the app will automatically remove the background. If you don't want to remove it, just simply press on the second option, and here, as you can see, it will come with background. If you don't want the background, just go ahead and choose no background and then press this arrow icon. Once you do this, here, as you can see, the sticker has been created, or you've made the sticker. And yeah, hope you find it useful, and I'll see you soon.